Please make sure you have coloring pencils, colored markers, and that you have a pencil with a good eraser. You'll need to be drawing certain things and then coloring certain things. A topographical map is a map that shows the physical features of a location. So the water, the mountains, the lines between each country. So you will have a topographical map. This is the same map that's in the very first page insert of A Long Walk to Water. Please make sure you have 7. The key is in the upper left-hand corner. So in this case, the way that they color coded the key, they did the mountains in black, they did the hills in yellow, they did the swampland in green, they did the plains in brown, they did the desert, looks almost like a chocolate chip cookie. They did it in orange with brown dots after it was dry. They did the river in green, excuse me, in blue, which would be expected. And then lastly, Salva's route they did in purple. So you want to make sure to gather your colors now and to identify the map before you go any further. You will be directed step by step what to color in. You will see it on the screen. You will need to be pausing this video periodically because she will go too fast for you to catch up. So feel free to pause this. I recommend you follow along. That will be a big part of the story. You might want to pause the video now and color those in. And you could put brown below and then orange dots, or just orange dots. Again, pause the video. No trees. So the plains are going to be on either side of the large Nile River. Okay, so you're going to have it to the right of the larger Africa map. You're going to have it right below your map key. And you're going to have it around where it says Northern Sudan. Be very careful not to color in these peaks or in this area right here. These are actually mountains. And these are going to be plains right through here. Make sure you're not coloring those in. In the middle. That's why the animals are there. There are some right around the Nile River on either side too. Don't miss those. So, Salva will start in southern Sudan at Loon Arik, which is his home village. He will go down across the Nile River. There is a identification of the Akobo River. He'll go across through the border of the swamplands and desert, and then he will go across the Gilo River into Ethiopia. When he's in Ethiopia, he will be staying at a refugee camp with a number of other refugees from Sudan. But if you notice, he does not go far into Ethiopia and he does not stay long. He will then turn and go back over the very dangerous Gilo River and go through the desert lands and over through the main part of these mountains, through the middle to the Kokomo refugee camp in Uganda. Another very important element in this story. So after we finish having this map, I'm going to have you look at a slide deck so you get a better idea of what those areas might look like. But finish that up with Salva's route. Please make sure you're following along. If you need to zoom in your camera or your computer a little bit better to see it, please do so.